Hi everyone, Heather Mahalik here with another Tip Tuesday. This week I want to walk you through, again as a refresher, keyword searching in Physical Analyzer and how you can recover more artifacts. So if you go up to the top right in Physical Analyzer, you will see that I searched for the word gear and you can look for show all. But under advanced, you can also search for things like gear, comma, head. And you can see it's any of those terms, so it's going to be gear or head. If I wanted to search for and, I could do gear, head, and it will do and. But let's say I wanted to search for gear, head, and not Ultima. You could type that there. So that's one way of searching. Also, search in file contents is super, super important because it's going to search within files that are possibly not parsed by Physical Analyzer. If I want to leave that, something else you can do within every single file. So here you can see that we are in an XML file. You can always search within the XML or in the file format viewer, but you can also do hex searches in every single file of interest. So if I wanted to search here, let's say I wanted to search for the word toll, and I press enter, it will then search and it will highlight your result. You can also do this across the entire file system. So let's say you're searching for locations. Something that is of interest to me is I will search for the word position and I will search for location because a lot of artifacts and applications will say current location, current position, last location, and then I will press find. And as it goes through, it's searching and it's most likely going to give you thousands of hits because all these applications will use it, but all of those hits will be accessible to you at the bottom. So I'm going to click cancel and you can see all your hits down below.